Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, how to download HP Elite X21012 second generations. So use any browsers to type Google search box like that. Okay, and first link to right click to new tab, which is support.hp.com. This is officially website, so you can download driver. Okay, then select OS which is you are using. If you use in this laptop Windows 11, so no worry about that. You install Windows 10 drivers and you can install in Windows 11. It's easily to install it. Okay, so lot of drivers are there: BIOS, diagnostic, audio, chipset, driver, keyboard, network, and all are there. So this is not required. If you install basic driver, just extract audio and install Realtek audio driver. Check this. Okay, and then chipset. Okay, so in the chipset, the first one, then graphic card, display link graphic card to check this, then keyboard, mouse. So in this, mouse and camera also, and network drive. This is Wi-Fi, this is Bluetooth, and this is LAN driver, Ethernet. So this and Bluetooth. Okay, so which is you selected, it show on here. Okay, and then click to download. It will, after the downloaded, how to install, I show you only one drive to install it. Okay, so here to check, you can install the driver like that. Driver download, like okay, no worry about it. Extract network, I install the Bluetooth driver. Just click to simple on the download, it will automatically start here, you can see. Okay, so if you clicked on the downloaded, which is you selected already that, so you can see here to download one by one. And how to install, just click to single click on this setup file. After that you click on one, yes, then next, I accept, then next, that it will start for the downloading by CMD. And then you require driver, it all install. After that you restart your system. Okay, thank you. And if you are facing some issues when you installing driver and downloading, so you comment me, I will reply you as soon as possible.